that it is good to just write your prices. So if you're not interested, they walk away. So you have no time, no stress, you don't have to go back and forth arguing prices and all of that. I'm like, that is fine, right? But I think that's the lazy man's way to do marketing, don't you think? Now, marketing basically is attracting attention to yourself. Now you put a price, nobody's interested in it, they walk away. How do you get those that are interested again? What if the price comes down, but they come to your page, right, and immediately they just see your name, they wait, yeah, that's the guy with the high price. They do not even bother to look at the price that you put this time. It might have been cheaper, but they've already branded you as the guy with the high price, and they walk away. What if? Right? But if you do this other method I'm talking about, right, there is no price, so they have to comment to ask you the price, or send you a DM to ask you the price. Then you provide the price to them, either in a DM or in a comment, or whichever way you choose. Now, when you have another product that they might be interested, let's say for example, you are selling a smartphone, right? You are selling a Samsung phone, and you have Samsung A something available, and you didn't put the price. The guy gets interested and he now says, okay, I'll send you a DM, and he sends a DM and asks you about the price, right? Then you provide the price. But after doing that, he says, oh, too high, I don't have your money, and he goes away. Then you probably have a smaller Samsung phone that has come out, maybe smaller size, or another series that is cheaper. And you say, hey, you asked for a Note before, it was about this price. Now an S series or an A series available that is cheaper at this price but can do so. And the person says, oh yes, I love it, I can pay this price, and the person is interested. Now, if the person didn't send you a DM and you didn't have any contact, you probably will not be able to get in touch with that person. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you can run ads that will specifically pick people that have commented on your post. You can run ads that can specifically pick people that have sent you DMs. Do you understand? And that won't be possible when they just see your price and walk away. So that's my argument. It's better to do the DM part. Those that walk away will walk away. But those that will send you messages, you know that they're interested. So you can remarket to these guys. Do you understand? I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please share, alright, and tag someone to see this. Cheers, thanks.